Welcome to Virtual Fitness TV for a rowing workout. Enjoy a relaxing tour on the water in Thailand. Take your rowing machine for a quick rowing workout, or simply lean back and marvel at the beauty of Thailand. Along the water you can see Sankhlaburi. It is a district in the western part of Kanchanaburi Province, bordering Burma. Kanchanaburi is the largest of the western provinces in Thailand. It is also the third largest province of the whole country, following Nakhon Ratchasima and Chiang Mai. In front of you can see the Mon Bridge. The Mon Bridge is located in Sankhlaburi and is the longest wooden bridge in Thailand and the second longest in the world. It is a famous attraction of the city. The bridge is only a pedestrian bridge, but originally it was also used by vehicles. The bridge was built between 1986 to 1987 to span the Sankhlaburi River. In July 2013, part of the bridge collapsed after a heavy rainfall. In 2014, the bridge has been restored. The bridge is also a popular place to see an unforgettable sunset or sunrise at the dam. Isn't it relaxing to see the tranquil water here? Listen to the sounds of nature. The sounds of the water are always relaxing, and if you listen closely, you will also hear the chirping of the birds. Take a minute to simply focus on your breathing and on what nature has to offer here. Forget about your daily troubles and enjoy the calm sceneries of nature. The climate in Sankhlaburi is a tropical savanna climate. The temperatures are colder, and in the morning you will likely encounter mist, which covers the lake. The rainy season lasts from May until October, and July and August are known to be the rainiest months here. We are here in the Khao Laem National Park, which lies in the northwest of Kanchanaburi. It was created in 1987 in order to honor the king's birthday. The park covers an area of about 1,500 square kilometers. Isn't it great to see past remains here? Definitely very interesting to know that in the dry seasons, these remains are perceived in a totally different way. A magical atmosphere. Be left in awe by the lush green vegetation and the blue sky. It almost looks like in a painting. The Khao Laem National Park has a lot to offer. It is famous for its unique houseboat experiences. Marvel at incredible vegetation with deciduous forest types, smaller areas of evergreen forest, and the gigantic lake with sunken temples. Enjoy the sunny weather and focus on the calming movements of the water. It is so relaxing to see what nature has to offer. The best time to visit the Khao Laem National Park is from November to February. Enjoy the mountain views in the back with the blue water in front of it. The dam that created this area is called Vajira Longhorn Dam, which is also known as Khao Laem Dam. The name Vajira Longhorn Dam stems from the former Crown Prince King Vajira Longhorn. The construction of the dam started in 1979 and was finished 5 years later. The dam supplies a 300 MW hydroelectric power station. One more attraction here is this sunken old temple, which is the only visible witness of the ancient city that was drowned in the water after the construction of the dam. The temple is called Wat Sam Prasab. It is also known as Wat Wong Wawakaram. The temple used to be the heart of the old town. Nowadays it can only be seen completely in the dry season. In the rainy season, people can see the upper parts of the temple by boat, just as you can see now. In the dry season, people can walk around the temple and discover everything from a closer look. Thank you so much for joining us on our rowing tour through Thailand. We hope you were able to relax a bit and discover the beauty of Thailand. Please subscribe to our channel for the best virtual content. Every week new videos.